Forgot to mention what's really helping me work on this roof, and this is slanting my top bucket or the basket. So I don't know if you can tell, but this thing is, well, let me see. Okay, so this is holding it straight. Now you can't really tell. I'm standing on the edge here just to stand upright. I have it slanted back at a good 10 degrees, and I've been going a little bit more. I am strapped in, harnessed up, but it really lets me reach up into the roof. I can lay right down on this. For example, it's that tar right there. I'll be able to easily reach that right now and work on this. The thing is, you have to watch these things right here. You don't want to be hitting the roof. And sometimes my lift used to drop a little bit the longer I stayed, just gradually going down. So I like to stay up about 2, 3, 4 inches and then keep an eye on it that I'm not touching anything, or when I'm rocking or anything, I'm not hitting it. Don't want to damage the roof. Don't want to actually be sitting on the roof here. So tilting it really helps. It feels like you're falling out at first, but really lays you down into the work area.